Hello, this is Brown Book Cello, careful counter number 58 on page 23. So we've already previously learned about the dotted half note, which gets 3 beats. Now we're going to use it in a 4/4 measure, where instead of counting to 3, we're counting to 4, because it's going to be 1, 2, 3, and then a new note for that 4th beat. So let's practice our air bow again. We're going to put our bows all the way up to the top without hitting the ceiling like I do, and we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's try it together. You'll see what I mean. Here we go. I just hit the ceiling. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's do that same thing on the D string. Okay, and you're going to want to use a little bit extra bow on that 4th beat so you can make it back to the frog. You'll see. Here we go. Open D. Same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. So let's play careful counter. Notice we have a D, F sharp, A, F sharp, D. Also a good time to use that F sharp tunnel, or at least keep your fingers hovered over there so that you're not wasting energy going back and forth. Here we go. Remember, there's also a repeat sign, so we play it 2 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Rest. Nice job, guys.